Hey everyone, it's your girl Shamira, and today we are going to be going over our spring customization items for FabFitFun that everyone can choose in their box. So we have some amazing items and you're definitely going to want to stick around till the end because I have a code for you. Also, you're going to want to see all the amazing items. So let's get into it. First things first, we have this Farmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. Okay, this is actually the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. This is a magnetic scooper. When I opened up the box and I saw this, I was like, I don't know why literally every product doesn't have this. I'm now only going to be looking for magnetic products like this. Okay. Also, can we talk about the packaging? Honey is one of the ingredients in here, and they made this honeycomb looking. So cute. It's super thick. This is the thick test. It doesn't come out. It smells like honey, which is good because that's the theme. You can use this in the morning and night. So I know a lot of people think that you shouldn't use lotion all the time and it's gonna make your skin oily and stuff. That's not true, it's just a myth. Use it morning and night and your skin will be glowing like mine. Is my skin glowing today? I hope so. Next we have the Yoga Wake Up Acupressure Pillow. What's cool about this is it has several hundred plastic points that hit your pressure point. So you can put it on your neck or the back of your head and then just sit back and relax, and it will relax you. It's gonna be super nice to just be able to actually have a tool to help you relax and calm down at the end of the day. This comes with a 3-month subscription to their guided yoga app. It has guided meditation and yoga, so it makes it super easy for you to follow along, do a class, do a session, relax, and center yourself. You know, I like to do it after a big work day. My fiance likes to do it in the morning to set himself up right for the work day. So make a no stress decision and get this pillow. Next we have the ban.do Stemless Acrylic Wine Glass Set. All for me. Just kidding. This is not for one person. You have 4 cups. You can share with your friends, don't be greedy. This is acrylic with glitter infused, which is perfect for going to the pool, hanging out with your friends, getting a little tipsy, don't have to worry about dropping anything. But I'm very excited for these because my wedding is coming up next July, and I wanna give, for my bachelorette party, I wanna give everyone a cute little present. So I'm gonna have these. We're going to a spa and a pool situation. So I'm gonna put little gifts in here, and then everyone's gonna have their cup for the night. It's gonna be so cute. So I feel you can get, since it's glittery and festive, you can do a lot with it. But mainly it's just perfect for hanging out with friends and not having to worry about messing up and breaking glass. Acrylic is your girl. Next we have this Perricone MD moisturizer, also another one with great packaging. It has such a nice texture. It's kind of a jelly silky texture, and it's so nice. And this one smells like rose, like a spa. Oh, it's so good. I think I'm actually gonna give this to my fiance because he has no skincare routine, and he is one of those people who just literally uses hand soap for face wash. Yeah, it's super painful, but I think you would like this because it's rose and it smells good and it feels good. Also, comment below if you have a significant other who has no face routine and somehow has never had a pimple or any acne in their life. I don't know how that's possible, but comment below if you relate. This is the Caudalie Vinopure Moisturizing Mattifying Fluid, and it's for mattifying your skin. It's thin and nourishing. It smells like a spa. This is super nice for anyone who has oily skin like I do. I'm definitely using this morning and night to keep my skin matte, especially because I always have to carry around blotting papers, and you just don't want to be sitting at your desk blotting your face all the time. So having this will take away from all those times you have to be oh, I have to go powder my nose. Does anyone say that anymore? I have to go powder my nose, I'll be right back. You don't have to do that anymore with this. This is the Spade Keaton Pouch Wristlet. I love wristlets because they're so easy to just throw on, run errands. You can put so much in here. I would use this for my puppy Sage on walks because I've been trying to train her not to leash pull. If you guys have any pets and have suggestions on how to not have your dog leash pull on walks, write them in the comments so I can like get some help. But I've been having treats, so when she does good, I'm like, good job, Sage, and I give her a treat. So I feel like that would be perfect for this, but also it would be great to put like makeup in, your wallet, you know, things that you'd carry around, and if you like need to touch up throughout the day, or like for me, sometimes I'll bring hair oil with me because if my hair gets frizzy and I want to touch up throughout the day. Also, I like the pop of color with the pink, cute and functional. Ooh. These are the Splendid faux fur slippers in crystal pink. Look at that, so cute. I'm such a slipper fiend. I literally can't walk around the house without slippers on because I just like get grossed out. I don't know, it's a weird thing. So I'm always looking for slippers, and these are the softest slippers I've ever felt, like not kidding you. They're so soft and so cute. They also have like some squish to them, so they're super comfortable when you're walking around. Sometimes it's fun to dress up around the house, you know what I mean, like cute cozy, and I feel like this goes with the cute cozy vibes. I'm always looking for slippers, and these ones are like so nice. So if anyone agrees that they hate walking around barefoot and it's super annoying, comment down below so I know that I'm not alone. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below to let me know what you're picking, and I have your spring code. Closer. It's Sage. So cute. Okay, so Sage for $10 off your spring box, and enjoy the rest of the customized close-ups, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.